Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our presentation for the DIY Made Simple 2024 competition. Today, we're thrilled to introduce our innovative project idea that not only promotes sustainability, but also encourages creativity within our community. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at what we've created, which is our paper mache trouser bowl. As you can see, it combines the practicality of a bowl with the artistic expression of a paper mache.
Our project concept centers around repurposing paper waste materials to create something both functional and aesthetically pleasing. We are envisioning a unique piece, the paper mache trouser bowl. This project combines the practicality of a bowl with the artistic expression of your mache.
Let's delve into the process behind our paper mache trouser bowl. First, we'll collect old newspapers and scrap paper from our school and community. These materials will form the foundation of our project. Then we'll inflate balloons to create the shape of our bowls.
Once we have our balloon forms, we'll attach cut-off trouser legs to mimic the appearance of trousers. Using a simple mixture of glue and water, we'll create a paper mache paste. Layer by layer, we'll apply the paper strips to the balloons and trouser legs, building up the structure of our bowls.
As we repeat this process, our bowls will gradually take shape. We'll ensure that each layer is sturdy and well formed to guarantee the durability of our final product. Once the paper mache has dried, we'll move on to the exciting part, decoration.
Decorating our paper mache trouser bowls allows us to infuse them with personality and style. We'll paint them in vibrant colors, add intricate designs, or even incorporate additional recycled materials for embellishment. The possibilities are endless, and each bowl will be a unique work of art.
Beyond its visual appeal, our project has significant environmental benefits. By repurposing paper waste, we're contributing to the reduction of landfill waste and promoting sustainable practices within our community. Our projects serve as a tangible example of how simple materials can be transformed into something beautiful and useful.
In conclusion, our paper mache trouser bowl project perfectly aligns with the theme of the competition, Wonder Waste Creation, Paper and Plastic Addition. We are excited to showcase our creativity, ingenuity, and dedication to sustainability. With your support, we're confident that our project will make a positive impact on our school and community.
For considering our project proposal, we're eager to bring our paper mache trouser bowl to life and share them with our school and community. Thank you for listening. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.